fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wants to do bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Yep, time to get this party started.
Good morning, YouTube. Happy New Year to you guys. How's everyone doing? Trying to do some stuff today. I have to do it later. The same music today. Oh. No, that's too loud.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
This is better, right guys? The volume.
It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,
Okay. All right. All right. Good morning, Prince. Good morning, Edwin. YouTube, how you guys doing? Zoom, how you guys doing?
Doing awesome. Man, it's been a while.
Yeah, you can say that again. Man, this, for whatever reason, this is still loud. It's really too loud on my ears. I gotta put it at 1. Okay. Good morning, good morning. Hopefully we get volume this London session. Gold right now, guys. What I am looking for right now, it's a quick possible quick buys. And this is the setup that I will be looking for here. Before I say that, right now, if you look here to the left, where is this tool? So if we look over here to the left, all we simply have right now is a support form. Okay, now we have created this minor high. Okay, now we have created this minor high, so which means there is a chance for price to do this and then bam. Okay, right now what I am looking for to see if I'll be able to catch quick buys, let me delete this. So what I'm looking for to see if I'll be able to catch a quick buy is because we have a support form here. You really do not have a demand form. As you guys know, I'm a supply and demand trader. What I'm looking for is to get a demand right here, right now. Right, is to get a demand formed. And now if its demand is formed, then I need something like this, right, for me to take the buys going back up to this first lower high that we created. We could either just reject right here, or we could actually grab liquidity above 2050 for price to continue to fall, or price could just decide to do this until, you know, New York session opens before we either decide we're going to break, or we break above, or we are going to break below. So to cut all this long story, to cut it short, so the setup I'm looking for to take buys is just aggressive buy, pull back, and then I'll look to take a buy. Okay, so I am bearish on gold. For a fact, I am bearish on gold, but I need to wait for me to be able to take quick buys. Even if it breaks above 2050, I still believe we are going to reject around 2060 to 2065. Around that area, we should get a rejection to continue to the downside. So we'll see what happens here. As you guys are helping out, remember to smash that like button, guys. It's very, very important for you to smash that like button. So there's really nothing to do right now other than just sit back and watch. Sit back, we watch, we stay patient. Let's see what setup the market is going to give. Because in this game, you gotta wait for the market, not the other way around. And that's what we are doing. We know what we're looking for. We just need to wait for the market to give it to us. If the market doesn't give it to us, then no trade. Oh, we got two prints in Zoom now. Who is Prince 1? Who is Prince 2? Who's the firstborn of the king? I mean, I saw two princes here. Firstborn, identify yourself.
Yeah, Prince Nosa is the firstborn.
Okay.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I'm coming out with my own merch very soon, and what I'm about to do has never been done before in the industry. It's gonna be massive. It's gonna be massive.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. First, I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside.
Those of you, YouTube, I'm talking to you guys now. If you know that you've been trading since after the new year, this year, how has it been? I'm just asking, how has it been for you guys? Those of you that have been trading after the new year. So pretty much if this is not your first day, how has it been for you guys? I hope the market has been treating you nice. Oh, my holidays was great, Tal. Thanks for asking.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah.
Pretty solid for you, top dog. That's what's up.
Love and excel, yeah.
That's what I like to hear.
Repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time.
Good, pretty okay, nice. You're up plus 2 pips for the year. Hey, it's better than being down negative 2 pips. Profit is profit. Those of you that watched me last year, or maybe December 22nd was your first day watching me. I talked about us starting a $1,000 challenge and just trade that for the rest of the year. To see what we can do with it in 6 months. In 6 months, hopefully it's grown. I can't say, oh, this is actually the exact amount it's gonna be at in 3 months or in 6 months or in 1 year. I'm just working on taking it slowly, just one trade a day, and we're not even trading it during New York session. We're only touching it during London session. So we'll see what we can do with that. So today is the first day on that account, and the MT4 you guys see on the screen, that's actually the $1,000 account you guys see, and that's just how it's going to be. Oh, and the risk is 10% because Now, some of you might be saying, oh damn, 10%? Sheesh. And all these traders be saying only risk 1%, 2%, 5%. Yeah, that's true. But honestly, risking 1, 2, 3, or 5%, it's only good when you have a decent account size. But $1,000 is not a decent account size. Risking 1, 2, 3% is nothing. Maybe if you're trying to swing, then yeah, you can reach 2%, 3% if you're swinging. But I'm not trying to swing trade. I'm just gonna get what I can get and get out. So in order for me to do that and do that successfully, I need to risk at least 10%, which means I'll be risking $100. I'll be risking $100 from out of the $1,000. You're trying to pass your first challenge. Okay, it can be done. I said lot size. Yeah, Prince, you must be new. So on Zoom, we actually did talk about the lot size. I think was it last week. So the lot size, yeah, 0.3, but it's gonna depend on what the stop loss is. Right, it's going to depend on what the stop loss is, because if the stop loss is, for example, let's say 50 pips, then I cannot use 0.3, because if the trade goes wrong, that means I'm going to lose $150. So that's more than 10%. That's what, 15%. So I only want to risk 10%, meaning if the stop loss is 50, that means my lot size is going to be 0.2. Okay, so it's gonna depend on what the stop loss is. Right, we kind of already know what, you know, our London session stop losses. Most of the time, it's usually between 25 to 35 pips. So that's why we kind of arrived at that lot size, which is 0.3. All right.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face.
So, if we come back and actually break this new low that was created here, there is a chance that we could continue falling here, but at the same time we could still also grab liquidity below 2027.15 for price to continue pushing up. So, you know, we're just gonna stay patient here and see what happens here, because if you look here to the left, this is higher time frame gaps that we have to the left, and now price have actually filled up the gap. All we're trying to fill up now is possibly a weak fill, which is a weak fill on a higher time frame. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Just gotta keep watching here. Like I said earlier, I am expecting gold to fall, but there is a chance for us to be able to catch quick buys here before the sell continuation, and that's what we're just trying to see if that's going to happen. If not, then we have no choice but to completely look for sells, because I am bearish on gold. I am completely bearish on it. But I'm not married to my bias. That's the bottom line. If a buy opportunity presents itself, I'm taking it. Right now, a buy opportunity is not there yet. You're very happy with your new hair? That's what's up.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit
Did I see my name in Jeffrey Epstein list? What? Who's that? Wow, you know who that is?
I think that's the dude who had like some sort of island, took people to an island to do shit with underage women.
Oh, hell fucking no.
I think Bill Clinton was on that list or something.
Oh, no. Count me out. Wallace, Mr. Worldwide. Stephen Hawkins. Wait, I think I've had
on
that.
that list.
I think I've had that name before, Stephen Hawkins.
Yeah, he's like a super genius.
Yeah. That's crazy. Let's see. Okay, I see something here, Bryce. We just might hold this zone here. We just might hold this zone here. What the hell? Oh boy.
That's a good way to start your $1,000 challenge.
Really? With a 64 pip stop loss. Damn. I mean, we knew this also, that sometimes the volatility with freaking London session is crazy too. I don't need that anymore. I don't like my chart looking all crazy. I like to have my chart very clean. as clean as possible. You like the inscription on my new t-shirt? Oh yeah, Nigeria to the world. Those of you that are always asking me, where am I from? Where am I from? Where am I from? And I always say I live in the States, but I'm from Nigeria. Now I'm gonna always wear this now every time. This is my this is my new shirt. So you stop asking me. Once you see this, you already know. The large size mental trauma. That entry is too far away anyway. I was just trying to see what the potential stop loss will be. But from the look of things, we might have like 50 to 60 pips stop loss today. Well, you know what that means too. That means we can at least get 20 pips from this. Because remember we said if the volatility is there, then we're just gonna get it at 20 pips. You remember that one?
Yep.
Yeah, but if the volatility is not there, we'll get it at 15. But looks like the volatility is there today. Can we get the volume though? That's the question. So we'll see what happens when London opens. So what I really want to do is actually, 20 pips and dip. But I'm okay with us, getting that 20 pips sometimes and not getting it sometimes. It's all good. Yes, I am. Damn, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Damn, your name is too long. But you asked me, I'm risking conservative on the 1K. Yes, I am. We do not have that aggressive push here, right? We do not have it yet, but I've seen setups like this and price will just start breaking a high and then just continue to push. So we're just waiting to see. As long as we do not break this low, right, this new low at 2027.15, gold is going to push back up. And I will get my 20 pips and be done. No, we got 20 and we out. Remember I said with this challenge, I want everyone to be on the same page. Now, the personal account that we will be trading, of course, I'm still trading my personal account, down in London as well. But my personal account, it's going to be the same thing as what I do with this challenge down in London. But down in New York, I'm only working on my personal account and my challenge accounts and my funded account. So that I can trade, whatever way we trade.
Pushing a train, I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. You focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
Let me see what the actual stop loss will be here. Okay. So just maybe we could get a 55 pip stop loss. No, let's wait and see. If we get a 55 pip stop loss, shit, lot size is gonna be 0.2. Nope, that's more than $100. We are looking at more like a 0.18 lot size here if we get a 50 pip stop loss.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.
Yeah. Yeah, lot size is gonna be 0.18. Oh, we could do 0.15. That means we get 20 pips, we're looking at $30. I don't know why I'm laughing at the $30. No, Max. If we do 0.2, that's more than $100. So that's more than 10% if the trade goes wrong. So it's gonna be more like 0.18. So that's $1.80. Laughing at a little guy. I've not made such a low amount in since 2020. Good morning, Ekene. Man, we got 160 people in here and we don't even have 30 likes. Come on, guys. You guys don't like me that much to at least give me 100 likes. Come on, this is my first day back and it's gonna be a banger. First trade of the year, I'm winning. So we winning. So smash that like button. 100 likes. Let's go.
I wanna be the best in the the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I
honestly don't want Go to actually break this low, man, because if it breaks, gonna have some more waiting to do. It's based off the 4 hour here. I can't look for nothing until we break below 2015 730, which is this 4 hour support. Meaning if I do not get a sell entry at least after we break the 1 hour minor support at 2024.52, meaning if I don't get a trade in this range, then I gotta wait until we break above the 4 hour support, because then what do we have here to the left? We got gaps right here, right? And we have a 4 hour demand here. So I actually will be expecting gold to continue falling, fill up this gap to the left before we actually continue to push up to the upside. Okay guys, but we shall see what's going to happen here.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed.
So we got 17 minutes here guys before London session opens.
Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Thank you, Omar.
Hear 'em say,
I appreciate that. What do you guys think about this new overlay that I'm using? Is this overlay nice?
again, I got tired eyes.
Oh, it's not. Oh, I should just get another one.
No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
Yeah, you love it, Nacho?
Push play
Good morning, Ali.
till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till
I made a decision that this vape that I have, that once it's done, I'm not gonna buy a new one. This will be the last one I'm buying. I know I've said that before, but this time, you know, it's a new year, so I gotta stay disciplined and make sure I don't get another one. So put me in your prayers. King Abe does not want to vape anymore. But hey, I'm not asking you to pray for me to stop weed. Don't you dare pray for me to stop weed. Don't even try it. Only this vaping. Not this. Okay? There's a difference. You're laughing, Mitch. Hey, I gotta be specific. Am I addicted to vape? Anyone that vapes or smokes cigarettes, yeah, it is very addictive. Why can't I stop weed? Man, I'm not stopping. In fact, whenever God said, okay, King Abe, it's time for you to come back home, man, I'll tell my people, hey, just make sure you bury me alongside some weed right there, because I'm going to wake up and smoke some. He said addicted to weed. Hey, I'd rather be addicted to weed. How old am I? I'll be 39 in a few months. Yes, they no advice on weed. Hey, I feel like everyone in this world should be smoking weed, but hey, it is what it is. It's not a sin. It's not bad for my health. I mean, why wouldn't I want to smoke it? It's a plant. And this thing was here before me. I met this thing here. This thing is freaking the OG. Before we all got to this head, weed was already here. Weed was one of the plants that greeted us like, hey, welcome. Welcome. Am I waiting for London? No, boy. Yeah. But, man, I don't know if we'll be able to take these buys. Because if it breaks this high, at least where I want my entry to be, then I gotta wait for another entry. And if it does not, if we get in too close like this, because it's gonna be an opening candle, and if the candle opens with no bottom wick, let's say, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait for that candle to, you know, flip, and then gives us another bottom wick, preferably rejecting the same demand area. That would be nice. Or this minor low that was formed right here. Okay, that's what I will be waiting for. I just need, you know, that candle to tap it, any of this minor low or this demand, and then we start flipping. So let me leave this right here for now. The 30-minute candle looks nice. In case you're new here, do not take this entry yet. Wait for me to call it. But if you want to take it as soon as we start crossing it, then you are on your own. Okay? Then you're on your own. But if you want to take it with me, then wait for me to call it.
Trading is so nerdy, bro. I love trading. I love trading. It's so fun. I can't even make it a thing,
Go to trade. You watching someone else? What's the SL? This SL is going to be 55 pips if we take this entry. But man, I don't know if we'll be able to, because London session opens in 6 minutes and we're almost at the entry. So we'll see. I don't think he knew he wasn't on mute. I muted him. I look like the baby? What? Maybe, do you know who the baby is? Do you know what it looks like? What? Do I look like the baby? We got 3 more minutes here, guys, before loading session opens. Is it good to take it over 2034? I mean, it depends on, you know, what the candle prints. Let me get my accounts ready here.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Okay, this candle has a wick. Let's see what happens, because London session is open now, guys. Remember guys, those of you taking the challenge, if we check these buys, lot size is 0.18. 0.18.
I can't move on till I let
So we get 20 pips, we will be looking at about $36. With this challenge, we pretty much gonna, crawl. Then we start walking. And then we start running. And then we start sprinting.
And then we finish flying.
Yeah, I gotta add more music to this. Do that later.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let
If this thing doesn't push up, we have to wait for sales. I don't know if we're gonna get a sell entry. I don't think, let me say that. To give the sellers better entry, I mean a better setup, they have to tap any of this supply right here. This one, if we do not reject from this one at around 2044 to 2042, then 2048 to 2050 should hold to have the continuation. But sometimes price might just not want to give that deeper pullback and then just continue to fall. So we'll see what happens. I just saw your comment. You said and then Lambo. Unfortunately, I'm not a Lambo fan. To me, Lamborghini is a waste of money. Hey, that's my own opinion. To me, Lambos is for like the shit, how do I say this? Remember, this is my own opinion. It's for young rich kids. If you look at 99.9% of the people, of the guys that has Lambos, look at their age. They're still in their 20s. Rich people my age, we don't drive Lambo. You'll see them in high class vehicles. Pretty much, I'm not gonna buy it. I think Lambo costs what, 300,000, right? I'm not gonna buy a $3,000 car, and if I have to fix anything in that vehicle, you'll be asking me for 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K. Nope. Count me out. Count me out. As soon as I drive it off the lot, the price already depreciated. Nope. Thank you. If a car is more than $150,000, I don't, even if I have billions of dollars, I'm not spending, but I'm not buying that car. It's not for me. The other $150,000, that I should have added to maybe get a Lambo, I'd rather invest that $150,000 than for me to spend it on a Lambo. That's just me. Everybody is different. No more GJ. Yes, I'm not trading GJ anymore. I tell you guys, the last day I was on YouTube last year, I said I'm divorcing GJ. I divorced GJ, I don't trade it anymore.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Like, even the people that owns Lambo, what I mentioned earlier, they know it too. That's why when they have a Lambo, they have another car. Pretty much they have an everyday car. A Lambo is not an everyday car. It's more of like a special occasion type of vehicle. Because if you can afford to buy a Lambo, then your circle is definitely a rich circle. Or you might even be, part of a team, whatever that is. And you guys will have, special occasions, you have meetings, you have dinners, and you get a Lambo, those are the type of things you do, and you drive that vehicle to that location. But if I'm just going to see a friend, or I'm going to the gas station, or I just want to go, maybe I'm going to the gym, I'm not going to take my Lambo. What's the point? I'm not trying to flex on anyone.
You know that show Top Gear?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, normally when they like back when I used to watch it a long time ago, when they used to buy like secondhand supercars, they always break down and have issues.
Yeah.
So they're not even reliable.
No, they're not reliable. That's why you can't use them as like everyday vehicle. It's not an everyday car.
Yeah.
I'll use a Mercedes or a BMW or even a Range Rover. I'll use it as an everyday car, but I can't use a Lambo for that because it's not reliable and too expensive to fix. So if you want to have it for a while, you can't use it as an everyday car. Plus, if you have a Lambo, even if that's your only car, you want to get another car eventually because you want to maintain that lifestyle, especially if you're any type of influencer. So you will want to maintain that lifestyle and you want to get another car. So if you know you can only afford to get one car right now, it's pointless for you to get a Lambo as your first vehicle. It's not smart at all. Not smart at all. Or else you're just gonna stress yourself out if you buy a Lambo as your first car.
Oh yeah. You're gonna be driving that thing like, oh shit.
Man. And then you're gonna be like, shit, I need 20K. Man, let me sell a cost real quick. Let me come up with something. Let me sell it real quick. Boom, I get it, and I'm okay. Well, we won't be going up. We wouldn't be going up. Which pairs do I trade other than gold? NAS 100. This year is gold and NAS 100 and forever till eternity. Yeah, Logan, you're right. Smart thing to do would be buy a Lambo, then rent it out to rich young people. Yeah, 5K a day. Yeah. But it depends on your location too. It depends on your city. Let's see what this thing is trying to do here.
It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Man, in this industry, like I just be looking sometimes like, damn, dude, what are you doing? Yeah, you've made money, and then you freaking have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cars. Like, what? How many cars are you going to drive? Like, how many? It just doesn't make sense to me. You already got a $300 plus car, and then you're like, you know what, shit, I'm gonna just add another $400,000 car on top of it. And then bam, another one. Like, at least 300 plus cars. You got like, some of them got 3, some of them got 4, some of them got 5, some of them got 7, 10. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I mean, are you Floyd Mayweather now? Oh, you guys can hear the music on Zoom? Oh, sorry. I'm like, damn. I'm not hating on no one, but like, for me personally, when it comes to my money, I'm very, very smart with my money. I spend my money wisely. Shit, do you know freaking what I do is freaking hard as hell. And I'm talking about like trading itself, and the reason why I'm saying trading is hard as hell is because it's up here. It's all up here. Meaning it's hard as hell mentally, stressful mentally. So even though I'm sitting, you know, I'm taking a look at my computer screen, even though that's all I'm doing, I'm still freaking working hard. I've been sitting here for what now? Almost 2 hours now. Okay, so I am definitely going to spend my money wisely. I would rather do investments, spend those money on investments, and have 1, 2 cars maximum. If I have 10 cars, I'm not gonna drive all the freaking 10 cars. It is what it is. Yeah, because once you start out like that, then you gotta maintain that image. And some of them, man, this, like, in the back windows, they're stressing as hell. They're stressing as hell over bills. I've seen it. I'm not saying all of them do, but man, most of them, bills, they're stressing as hell. All because you want to maintain an image. It just doesn't make sense. You've made the money. I mean, there's no point flexing. I guess it's their love for cars. Material things, pretty much. That's why this dude, I don't know him personally, he doesn't know me personally, but Xauusd, man, I don't know nothing about his trading, but Xauusd, even though he is younger than me, I respect him. That dude is smart when it comes to money. And that's why I will assume that he's a very good trader too. With all the money he has, he only has 2 cars. One for him, one for his wife. That's it. And he's making investments. You guys hear the music now? Oh, sorry guys, sorry YouTube. I kind of forgot you guys for a minute there. Why do I always trade London session? So, when I first started learning how to trade, this is how I started, right? So I think that kind of influenced me to actually love London session more. Even though, I mean, I do trade New York session, but I think what influenced me was because when it came to the sessions, I started with London session, right? Meaning when I actually started taking my own trades, I started off with London session. So I think that influenced me. And also, I had no choice but to actually trade during London session, because at that time, during the daytime, I have to go drive Lyft and Uber for 12, 14, 16 hours. That's how long I used to drive at the time. So London was the only session that I could actually trade. And you know, at that time there was volume. Like, you can be done with London session between 1 to 2 hours. London session is not what it used to be. Well, then you can be done in 1 to 2 hours, and then I'll get me like 2 or 3 hours of sleep, and then I'm off to my day job. Yes, Steph. Most of the time. And at that time as well, once it's going past 2 hours, I'll just go sleep. I have to go to bed, because I had a driving job, so I had to go to sleep. So if I don't get a trade today, I mean, I might get one tomorrow, and that was what I was doing. Yeah, that's fine now, man. Yeah, if New York session is what suits you best, then go for a New York session. I really didn't start trading New York session like that until I went full time. But I do like the volatility and the volume that gold has during New York session. I do like it. Because, man, if you get it set up and there's volume, shit, you can get your money just like that. You snap your fingers and you got your money. And you're done. No. Right now, there's no volume. And then again, hey, it's a Monday. The volume should be decent.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had
I mean, that's not completely true, Aman. I mean,
my dreaming.
sometimes London session will be, the volume will be very nice, even with gold.
Hands up, plan your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They
So right now, today, at least for this London session,
get some power.
the volatility on gold is nice, very nice. But volume, we don't have it yet.
I swear to God, they all let me down.
The fact that I'm, trying to take a buy here and my stop loss is 55 pips,
They deserve it now.
that says a lot.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Am I doing 5 days a week on YouTube stream? Nah. Yeah, last year I said I said I might, but nah.
Everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing.
Because right now I'm just a one-man mopo. That's gonna be too much. I had to trade 5 days on during London session, and then also New York session with my trading community. So that's too much.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So it's still going to be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on YouTube, and every day in my private community. Help your family with your money and give charity to people that need it. Yeah, I agree, and I do that myself. It's always good to give back. Just like I said, people that need it, charity. Yeah.
Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive.
Is the building room too big for this trade? No. It's perfect.
So he's been looking for somebody who could
I might even get in early here, but not yet.
a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them.
If this candle closes bullish and then we form another resistance, and then we start pushing up, I think I might move. If we form, pretty much if we form another resistance, I'm probably going to move my entry bit down a little bit, because that's going to be the third resistance that will be forming. Because right now, after we form these highs, we've only formed two supports. Support, minus support, minus support. And we have one resistance, minor resistance. We got two. So if we form another one, that will be the third one. And if we start breaking it, we probably would have an entry somewhere here. We should drive up, because that would be the third time we're creating a resistance. So we'll see what happens.
If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.
What I just explained right now, that I said I might do, and use that setup as my entry, some of you probably don't even know. You probably have not ever had that before since you started trading, that you can use stuff like that as entry criteria. Pretty much everything I explained about the minor resistance, the minor support, all that stuff. Probably have never had that before since you started trading. And if you haven't, that's one of the reasons why in my last video I said live trading is the best way to learn how to trade. If you say this is what you want to do, signals, it's a no. Signals with signals, you're just gonna be in this circle. You just keep going round and round and round and round. You make money, you lose. You make money, you lose. You're pretty much bouncing from support to resistance. You're ranging, you're consolidating. That's what you're doing. Until you learn everything the right way, that's when you start to see growth. That's when you'll be able to break out of that range to the upside, not break below the support. No, if you break below the support, then hey, you got some more work to do. You gotta keep learning. You gotta break above that resistance and keep going. You might be going up, down, but you'll just be forming highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. But you're gonna keep breaking highs. That's what it is. In my opinion, in the trading community, signals should be banned. Banned. If I have a huge following, I promise you, I'll push that to the moon. Banning signals. But hey, I ain't got no huge following. But hey, when I get to that level, man, you wait and see. I'm gonna push it to the moon. I don't know why traders that send signals are even doing it, if not because for the money. That's why I call them being selfish. Yes, I said it. They're just selfish. If that trader is not trading live with his audience, whether privately or for free, I mean, what's he doing? then you're not really helping the community. All you care about is money. That's what you care about. Because we all know you can't learn from signals. What are you learning? Nothing. But hey, you always get. I should be blaming the people that actually, that all they want to do is take signals. Those are the people that I should be like blaming, because they're just looking for fast money. And we all know fast money ain't gonna lead you anywhere. But at the same time, these traders that all they do is just send signals, like they know is wrong, because they themselves didn't. That's not how they learned. Because if they went that route of taking signals, then they wouldn't be where they are. They wouldn't know how to trade. So see no reason why there should be anything called signals. But we are getting there. You know, more and more traders are, you know, live streaming now on YouTube or privately. We are getting there. One day, if you want to trade, you have no choice but to learn how to, because you ain't gonna find, you're not gonna find anyone offering signals.
Never stop, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
And because I chose to focus on the educational side of trading, which is actually teach people how to fish, that's what I prefer to do. That is what I prefer to do. So if you're looking for signals, I'm not the right person for you. You're just gonna be wasting your time.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Alright, this candle flip. So if we break below this new minor low that we formed, we should continue falling here. And then I will be expecting us to break below 2024.52. And we will then see if we can catch a sell if we break above 2024.52. If not, man, then we gotta wait until we break below 2015.73. So that's why earlier I said, man, if we do not keep rejecting this demand and start pushing up, or the support and start pushing up, and I don't think we will be able to take a trade today, but we shall see what happens.
I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around. Think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I want to chase a bag. I want a way, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
And you guys know what I was also expecting gold to do, actually. That I was so sure that we're gonna go up a little bit before we actually continue falling. even though I said I was, actually bearish on gold, is because when we broke below this low here, right, when we broke below this low here at 2040.52, we should have had a pullback to this supply here or this one right here, either of these two, but that didn't happen. We just continued to fall instead, right? So I was expecting us to now have that pullback that we didn't have previously to the left. The only difference is this time it is going to be a deeper pullback. So I was expecting to see that before we actually start falling. That was what I was expecting gold to do. But sometimes the market, doesn't do what you're actually expecting it to do, because at the end of the day, the market is the market. So we shall see. Yeah, Nicholas, it still can happen. But what it's doing right now is just making the buys more complicated now. With all these minor highs forming up here, this would now be the third time now. I'm actually, at this point, I'm expecting it to fall. And now this is why at this point I'm expecting it to fall, is because now if you look at the body of the first minor support that we formed, the first time we came there and rejected, but this time we actually rejected it twice, and now we've actually closed below it again. So I am expecting it to continue to fall. Let's see if I'll be right this time. Maybe she will listen to me. So I'm going to delete this right now. Oh, what was my dream job before I started trading? Actually, it was software development, and I was hoping to work at least at Google. That was my dream job. But I am taking software development classes right now, actually online. I kind of stopped in October. Actually, I stopped, but I'm going to go back this year. And the reason why I decided to do it is because, since I'm not really gonna do it as a career, this is my career. Forex is number one for me. I want to do the software development course because I want to create my own softwares, trading related softwares. I want to do it create it myself, because I know what I'm looking for. Right? I know what I'm looking for. I know how we want it. I know how I want it to look like. I know all that. So I'm going to do it myself. You thought it was boxing? Yeah, it used to be. But boxing is not a long-term thing. That's why I didn't say boxing. Boxing is not a long-term thing. That's why I didn't say that. Yeah, that's why you see it. Yeah, he's rich, but what else is he doing? He's retired, right? But he has other businesses. That's what I'm saying. He made like
That guy
what?
still fights, doesn't he?
Just like exhibition fights now. Like nothing major.
It's crazy. He's so old, but he's still kicking ass.
Yeah. Yeah, Mike Tyson is still kicking ass. Oh, I haven't seen that, Mitch. Trading strategy, no GJ. I don't trade GJ anymore. Good has been choppy this year. Man, I was looking at good last week. I did a lot of forward testing on good last week and he was good. Took some pre-London, then London, did some forward testing.
Yeah, I saw that. It looked like the market was moving all right.
Yeah. Except for, I think on Friday. Yeah, on Friday, the setup came very late, which was actually a sell. Wait, I think it was this one. No. Yeah, somewhere. I think it was this. Yep, this right here. Yeah, around here. I think the setup came around 3:15. But I took this, yeah, right over here as soon as it started breaking this candle because of the 30-minute setup. Because remember the bootcamp that we did, I said if we're looking for sales and we have a bearish rejection candle, don't take that sell. If you guys remember. Now, the reason why I decided to take this entry as we started breaking below this candle was because if we go to the 30-minute, you see it was a bullish candle and I actually had entry below the 30-minute candle, but I took it at the 15-minute. So that was the reason why I had entry there. Yeah, aside from Friday last week, yeah, good was actually nice. That's right. In Discord, I said Man, gold better freaking not act like this week.
Oh man.
Because now I'm actually trying to trade here, gold, okay? I'm trying to make some real money this time. Yeah, she needs to keep that same energy. You're welcome, Aaliyah. Yeah, first 1 hour is almost closing. I would rather just use this zone as a support zone now. It's not a freaking demand to me now. Like even right now, they said even if we stay rejecting here and we start to push up, the setup that I'm going to have to wait for now, I got to wait for another resistance to be formed, and I need some bullish pressure, and maybe we come back, and then whatever resistance we form, we start breaking that, then I will take the buys. Excuse my drawing. Last year we finished with a 76% win rate. This year, I'm looking forward to finishing with 80 to 85, even 90%. Yeah. 80 to 90%, that's what I'm shooting for this year.
I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
My win rate is improving. 2022, I finished with 73. Now let me start from 2021 on when I started streaming. 2021, I finished with 70. 2022, I finished with 73. 2022, yeah, and then 2023 finished with 76. So this year, I'm shooting for 80 to 90%. More quality trades over quantity trades. I do take quantity trades sometimes, and the reason why I do that is because I know I'm good at reading candles, meaning looking at, you know, what's happening presently. Are we creating lower highs, lower lows, structure wise? Are we creating minor resistance, minor supports, are we ranging, what's the momentum. Feel like I'm good at stuff like that, so because of that, feel like I'm good at taking quantity trades. For example, you might be asking, okay, what is quantity trades? I'll give you one example. An example of quantity trades is when we're in a range, we're not going nowhere. All right, that's an example of a quantity trade. Now, but because I'm a supply and demand trader and I'm good at reading candles, right? So because of that, I take trades in the range, get my money, I get out. Sometimes I win it, sometimes I lose them. But at the end of the day, I still win them more than I lose them. But if I take them less, that's one of the ways you can increase your win rate. Take them less, or you don't take them at all. Pretty much, if we go to the 4-hour right now, we're pretty much in the 4-hour range right now. Pretty much. But this is a very big range to trade. Until we break below 2015.73, we've not broken out of this 4-hour range. And wait, another reason why I said I'm bearish on GJ. I said GJ, what the hell? Where did that come from? Nope, GJ, you're lying. I'm not trading you. It's a lie. As I was saying, we've been creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, that's why I said I am bearish on GJ. And when we got to this supply,
You just said GJ again.
No, I did not. I did?
Yeah, you did. You said you're bearish on GJ.
Man, GJ, you're lying. It's not happening. It's not happening. So gold rejected that previously for our supply, and then we've just been falling ever since, creating lower highs, lower lows. So for that reason, I am still bearish on GJ. Question is, are we going to break below 2015.73, fill up this gap, tap this demand, and then we start pushing up? That's a very good buy zone in the 4-hour. Man, what happened to the music? Oh, it's finished. Damn, I need to add more songs to this. If you like the first love, can't really delete from memory, I guess. Happy New Year, Beam. Yeah, DJ was my wifey for some time. No, it's not the weed. I'm not even high right now. So that, man, I even need to smoke some more. Why am I not trading GJ anymore? I just don't like it anymore. I'm not attracted or drawn to GJ anymore. GJ lost, man. Took my money a lot of times last year, and I'm tired of it. USDG hasn't been the same. It's not the same anymore. I'm aware of the platform called fundedness, and what is my take on it? Yeah, fundedness is dope. Fundedness is dope. It's one of the good platforms. Check out their review on Trustpilot. They give you 15% profit share from phase 1 or phase 2. As long as you pass your challenge, you're gonna get 15% phase 1, 15% phase 2 on top of your withdrawal as well. And you get your money in 24 hours. You get it in 24 hours. You don't get it, they'll give you $1,000 extra. If you end up getting your money in 48 hours, you're gonna get $1,000 on top of whatever your amount was.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me.
We should wait for tomorrow. What do you mean?
Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain and try candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.
So with this setup here, this is what I'm going to do. Go to the 5 minutes. Nah, it doesn't look good on the 5. And this was a nice bounce here on the 5 minute. Came back down and book it. You need fire on the mountain. Yeah. I wish I could play my Spotify playlist on YouTube. But YouTube be tripping. Oh, Shandon. Shandon, is Shandon here? Oh no, he's not.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. fast. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Oh, no, thank you, Sulaiman. You just joined, Sulaiman? Because I think I used to see you on YouTube. Used to see your name on YouTube. Okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. So 49 pips, let's just say 50 pips. And okay. That means we can use 0.20. That's our 10% there. Oh, okay. Based on the stop loss right now is going to be 50 pips. I said 50 pips. It's going to be 0.20, 0.2.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody
Is this candle going to close bullish? Oh, we are going to flip. Okay, it's not doing what I was expecting it to do here. Okay, it's not doing what I'm expecting it to do. All right, we keep waiting.
I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. Bounce a franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody
So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to have to wait for that aggressive push. Even if we get at least one aggressive bullish candle, I'll wait for resistance to be found before I take the buys, or we actually break above this minor high right at 2033.38. Yep, that's what I will be waiting for now at this point. So we'll wait for us to have something like this back, and then we take it up. So this is what I'll be waiting for the buys at this point.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain.
And it's also a 1 hour minor resistance there as well.
Bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Because now, if we can break above, because we now have a 1 hour resistance there as well. Now, if we can break above it, because right now this is now just a 1 hour minor range. That's what this is. So if we can break above 2033.38 and actually close above it, we should get a pullback, and it'll be nice if we can just get, aggressive buying, breaking above this minor resistance. That would be nice. Then we should get a retest either to the demand or to any of this minor resistance. We tap it, and then we should start pushing back to the upside. So we just gotta be patient here, guys. So it's trying to make its way to 2024. Yeah. But if we do not break this minor support, we are not going to get to 2024 if we just keep rejecting here.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
Yeah, for me right now, we are going to have to break below 2024.52. Then I will start looking for sales, but between 2024 to 2015.73, it's not a guarantee that we could get a sell. It's not a guarantee we could get a sell, but if we break below 2015.73, then we should get a sell below 2015.73, because we will be breaking below a 4-hour support, and you have higher time frame gap to fill to the left. I think we got it here on the 15-2. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, so yep, we got it here. Yeah, we got it here too as well, and we got the 4-hour demand down here. So should be a good sell below 2015.73. Happy New Year, Sean. So guys, if we don't take any trade in London today, that means we won't be trading the 1K challenge today. No news though in our session today either. Okay. Yeah, we should head to 2024 now because we are breaking these lows. Are we gonna close below it? Are we going to close below it, or are we simply just gonna grab liquidity? Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go use the restroom real quick. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Over to you, please, so the stream doesn't look boring.
DJ gave sells. Damn.
Why should give us his analysis, please?
Yeah, you would expect today to be the day that, you know, gold does nothing and GJ does something.
Control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Anything interesting happen with you guys during Christmas or New Year? I saw some of you guys still trading. Back testing Rami.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me.
Oh, good job, Rami. 4% up. Nice.
Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things
Yeah, Edwin. I tried to make it to those boot camps, but man, I got sick literally the day after Christmas party. Next day, just sick as hell. And then it's like, man, I just can't get up for 5 a.m. I can still hear it in my voice. It's like all like husky and shit. I don't got no doctor's note. Take profit and stop loss for GJ. You could probably target like 183.1 to 182.9 area where you take profit. Stop loss, you could probably put it like above 183.45 if you want a tight one. I'm assuming you must have entered on a breakout, Shan. Ah. Well, Beat says he's looking for 181.8 for GJ. Big profit.
Looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for when they try to change.
Man, Brody's not doing anything.
I know, right? Shit.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm liking that it.
Golden GJ, they ganging up on us.
Really bad habit. If it moves, gotta go. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird.
Oh, you too. Some of you took
If the shit tastes sour, you
GJ.
I'ma stay in power for
I know Kid a bit took GJ.
Nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big
Hi, I'm back, Jan.
send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back.
Oh, you're swinging your runner.
You move slow and I move fast.
DJ gave sales. Nice.
Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. 'Cause that's what it takes.
The whole
The sad part is GJ's going down pretty smoothly.
damn, the whole 4-hour range.
Take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall.
She's rejecting the third time from H4 resistance.
I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of
Let me just switch it. Oh, you see, I deleted GJ. I deleted GJ from my watch list. I thought I still had it down there. I'm still gonna delete it again. This was the last zone I had on there. What does he look like on the 4? It might give another retest though, because he's now breaking below this minor support though. It's not breaking below it. So say is this as a minor support, and we got our 4-hour resistance here.
Disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen. No most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is work.
Yeah, it might give another resistance or continue falling, but I still see this pushing up. Because it's get that demand there, and you have this break of structure here to the left, so there should be some buys coming on pretty soon, either here or down here at the bottom. It's still a good sell though, because I think we tap this 1 hour supply. Go to the 15, see if I would have taken this. Yeah,
it's good on 15.
Yeah, I would have taken this if I was trading GJ. Yeah, setup looks good. This break of this minor low structure would have prompted me to start looking for the sells. Quick sells. Yeah.
But you wouldn't have taken it though, right?
Huh?
You wouldn't have taken it though.
I would have taken it.
Okay, but like you said, if the candle that touches the supply, like this is a salt.
Oh, because
right?
it closed doji. That's why.
Yeah.
It closed doji. It closed doji, that's why on the 15, and look at this on the 30.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just like when I gave earlier, I gave the reason why I took a sell on gold on Friday. Right? This is the same thing that happened. On the 15-minute, the candle that rejected was bearish. On the 30-minute, the candle that rejected was bullish. And even with this one here, because we closed doji, I wouldn't even have looked at the 30-minute. I would have taken it regardless, because it's a closed doji. Oh no, I'm about to switch back to gold. I was done looking at it. Yeah, but that was a good setup on GJ there.
Yeah.
The setup that GJ gave for the sales, we're pretty much looking for the same thing for gold buys right now, which is we break this minor high, we should get a pullback to a demand or any of this minor resistance here, and then we should start to push up. So we have to wait for this minor high to break. Because if we do not break it, anything can happen here in this range. You could get faked out. You said, wait, you said burning or boring? Do you mean to say boring?
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag,
And that's 100. I just don't want to trade NAS though in London session. I'd rather trade it though in New York. Those of you that couldn't join the 7 days boot camp that we did last month, everything was recorded. So if you want access to it, to the recorded version, all the 7 videos, the link is down below in the description. It's the same link, and I've added a bonus on there for you guys, which is if you get it, you're gonna be in my mentorship program for at least 1 month. Because if you know how to trade already, the videos can help you. And you can hang out with us for 1 month as a bonus. Damn, if someone had told me that we wouldn't take any trade this session, I would have told them you're lying.
I know, right? Look at the freaking move straight down, and there's no volume now.
Yeah. It's like there's nothing has changed. Last week it was so good. It was so good last week. Yeah, gold was going crazy last week. I said I should have started last week. You was involved. involved fully. Yeah. I was partially involved. See, I wasn't even involved at all because everything I just took here, I was just forward testing. I didn't trade for real. So I still saw the move happening. This is still looking like buys to me right now.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for entry now. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're waiting for. This 1 hour resistance, minor resistance. And we could get to the 1 hour supply, because even if this thing pushes up, I am expecting it to continue to fall. So we should get to that 1 hour resistance. I say resistance, supply. Is it not changing? Oh, there we go. Oh, don't forget to delete this, Edwin. What are you doing here?
Damn it, Edwin. It's always Edwin. Always messing up them charts.
He said he can't delete it. Can I check GU? I don't trade GU. My eyes are glued to gold right now. Okay, let me delete it for you, Edwin. Man, and crazy part was I was expecting a quick one too, like a quick trade today. With the setup we had, the London. Okay, the fact that we have a no top, bottom weight candle, and we're pushing up aggressively here, this candle might actually be the candle that breaks, or this candle could flip bearish. Yeah, Kid a bit likes them aggressive trades.
Yep.
He said aggressive, not crazy. And this is even gonna be nice. If we break it here in the next 10 minutes, that would be nice. 30-minute can close above. Yeah, H4. Because the H4, for example, let's say the H4 opens up with no bottom wick or top wick, depending on how we open. Let's say we open bullish on the 4-hour with no bottom wick. That 4-hour could drive us up, and then we have a closure here above this resistance here on the lower time frame. Now there is a chance that the 4-hour is going to flip bearish, if we're flipping bullish back again, for us to continue to drive up, which is where our demand is gonna come in, for us to anticipate the buys and take the buys when we do get the tap. Thank you. So as of right now, the buy analysis we had, it was right, but as far as the setup that we were looking for initially, we didn't get it. So now we're just waiting for another setup to present itself. Analysis looks like we were right. Let's see if we're gonna break above 2033.38. If we break it, we should get retest before we continue. Because I'm gonna be pissed if this thing just keeps driving after breaking. I'll be mad as hell. Because I've been waiting for what now? Almost 4 hours. So good better give me what I'm looking for. How long have I been trading for? 8 years, but full time 3 years, because 2024 just started. So by the time we get to half of this month, it will be 4 years that I've been full time. So pretty much, 5 years was more of a learning phase for me. 5. I didn't say 1. I didn't say 2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, those of you on Zoom, so on the weekly webinars we have on weekends, I'm also gonna start doing psychology webinars as well. So it just won't be all about trading. Psychology is way more important.
Yeah, that's true.
Because after learning how to trade, if your psychology is bad, automatically you're a bad trader. Psychology needs to be intact. I need to add more songs to this. I'll do that today. Dang, you're flipping. No, not like Odin trade psychology, just psychology in general. Because some of you are still struggling with that. Which Forex broker will I recommend for US residents? The one that I'm using now is regulated. And if you're interested in it, before you use the broker that I'm using now, go to wikifx.com and search to see if that broker is regulated or not, and it is a regulated broker. Or you can keep looking. You scalped almost 900 bucks from the last 4-minute buyer push gold. You probably left. You're welcome, Maximus. Alright, kid, a bit.
Yes, sir.
Hey, be careful. Be careful with the girls in the gym, kid, a bit. Don't be looking. Just focus. Focus on working out. Yeah, you said always. Yes, Mohammed. The challenge starting balance is $1,000. And this is day one. Day one is looking like no trade day. Because the 4-hour candle is about to open and I'm just gonna be here 30 more minutes. I'm not trading the challenge though in New York, just London session only. When is Kid Abe going to live trade? I don't know as of right now. Maybe this year, we'll see.
Nah. I was thinking about it for a while, but then it's like, man, gotta get a new computer set up and all that. It's like, oh, forget it. I'm too lazy.
Right now, I only got 1 and 2 monitors. Even if you only got just 1, as long as your RAM is at least 32, even if your RAM is 16, you just got to make sure that you don't have, especially Chrome, you don't have Chrome open at all, or you don't have a lot of tabs. And whatever you have downloaded, if you're not using it, then get it off your computer, so that you'll still be able to stream. Me? Oh yeah, when I moved to this place, yeah. Actually, I got it before, before I moved, but because I knew I was moving, I didn't set it up until I moved here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
What? Wait. See what? 10,000 COP. What's that? That's a donation, but what currency is COP?
You rich Abe, this guy's a baller.
What currency is COP? Yeah. You have a question, but thank you for the donation first. If you don't know how to speak English, can I be a student in the mentoring that I sell? Oh no, cause I don't speak Spanish. So no, I don't speak Spanish. Oh, that's Colombian peso.
Colombian peso.
Damn, 10,000 Colombia peso is $2.55. Damn.
Damn.
I need to move to Colombia.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Damn. I'll be balling. What? Shit. I don't even need to make thousands of dollars from the market. Hundreds, I'm good.
Jesus, the hundreds gotta be like what? That's like $1 million.
Man, if I'm making thousands of dollars USD per day, shit, after a while, probably would go to the president and like, hey, I'm impeaching you. You're sitting on my seat. It's $1 million peso now. I said I'll be like Godfather in Colombia, pretty much. Man, same thing with freaking Nigeria too. Shit, I'll be balling.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by work. Desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit.
Yeah, that'll be billions in Colombia peso. I'll be like, hey, mission accomplished. I'm a billionaire now. Even though it's in pesos, hey, still a billionaire. That's why, man, people that live in a third world country, if they can, man, learn these skill sets, man, they'll be good.
It's a game changer.
Man, life changing.
Man, gold's not gonna give anything.
Yeah. Majority of us traders that live in the United States or anywhere in Europe, if you move to a third world country, you're just gonna be like, what was I doing where I was coming from, man? I should have freaking been here a long time ago. Because money-wise, you'll be like, damn, so I had all this and I didn't know. You didn't tell me I could be balling like this. Then you ain't gotta worry about taxes too. Shit, sign me up.
It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
This broker that I'm using now, because I only have this challenge account with them right now, I will be switching it to a business account after 6 months. I'm gonna have to create a new one, then I'll just transfer the funds from this account to the new one. Just for tax purposes.
Hey, I got something to say.
I pay less if it's a business.
Won't complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change.
Because by the time I file taxes, I'll be able to write off my phone bill, my internet bill, my trading view bill, whatever expenses. I can't do that with a personal account. Dreamer, gold might actually stay in this range until New York session. Yeah, it just might. Or we could push up pre-New York. And then if it pushes up, hey, that's fine. It just means New York session, I'll look for possible sales because I'm anticipating this to actually continue to fall. So I'm expecting that deeper pullback. We need a deeper pullback.
Yeah, it's leaving gaps everywhere.
Yeah. But I don't see how what gold is doing right now is just completely crazy, because right now I don't see how we're gonna actually break below this now at this point. Because why would we come back down to this support and then freaking reject and then grab liquidity below it, if not for us to continue to drive up? Yeah, I'm expecting that deeper pullback. I said, don't forget the Lambo bill. Hey Tony, how you doing? Happy New Year. So pretty much gold is just short-term buys, long-term sells.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong.
You said you're getting funded and coming. Oh man, I missed that last part, Tony. I missed the last part, but congratulations on getting funded. Let's see what this 15-minute candle is going to do. Oh, all right, Tony Goat. All right. We'll see you soon then. And about time, Tony Goat, because you've been following me for a while now. What? Wait a minute. Did you just say the cost of bread in Colombia is 200,000 pesos?
Oh, Kill the Beat's probably just messing around. He's just joking.
Like, damn. I'm not moving there no more. Like, what the hell? That would be crazy. Hey, Johnny FX, how you doing? Happy New Year.
Oh, what the hell? Roger Banks was on a while ago.
On where?
YouTube.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, it says he was online 18 minutes ago.
Streaming or just talking?
Streaming.
What? London session?
It says live New York session, but it says he was online, just a few minutes ago, so.
Oh. Oh, Nacho said he took sales on gold and lost 10K. Damn.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing it now. Yeah.
Damn. For me personally, I saw the sales, but as far as entry, the entry was not there. The entry that was there as when London session opened was still buys, even till right now, until we break at least 24.52. That's what I see. We all see this market differently. That's why when you win, somebody lost. When you lost, somebody won. That's how it is.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.
Yeah. This whole week has to break.
I put towards my dreaming, but the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for.
Looks like he sold somewhere like around here and then he closed out like around here.
Oh. Yeah, because he manages his trade like that sometimes. So pretty much had a tight stop. Probably had a bigger stop loss, but just decided to get out to manage his trade.
Yeah.
Because if he's rejecting here, there is a chance he's going to push up. And that is what I am expecting to see. But I just needed to break above 2033.38 if I actually start looking for entries. Good morning, Ahmed. Good morning, Watcher.
show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it.
Hey, what? Hello, G Unit.
It's only worth it if you
Really?
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
Yeah. See, the thing about entries is that when you don't have like a clear setup, and there's no point taking an entry. Right now, there is no clear setup. When you start doubting and saying to yourself, oh man, where we at right now, we could either buy or we could either sell, then no entry for you.
This is where people lose all their money.
Yeah. When you want to take an entry, there should be no doubt. No doubt. At all. For example, for me personally, I already knew what I was looking for. So previously, when I started the stream before London session opened, I marked this whole area as a support zone. Now, the reason why it was like this was because if we go to the 5-minute time frame, which is the lower time frame, it is a clear support right here at 2024.52 on the 5, right? Now, if we go to the 15-minute, it's a bearish rejection here, and we're left with this. Wick fill, right? With this bottom wick. So this whole area from the body of this bearish candle to the wick closure is all a support area. So that is why I had it like this. Now, when I saw this rejection also with this wick right here, right? That means we formed a lower support right there. And this being a major support here on the lower time frame. So now we came down and formed a new support right here. Now, since we formed a new support right here, rejecting this support to the left, in my mind, I'm like, okay, this should actually push back up for us to have a deeper pullback, because we still have bearish momentum. Okay, we still have a bearish momentum, I know that for sure, but can I catch the pullback trade? Can I catch the pullback trade? Now, what I was looking for was for us to now come back after rejecting here. I was expecting us to now come back, right, tap this zone, which was previous demand or this support, and then have the mush. I said the mush. The move, the move back to the upside. So that was what I was expecting. Now, but since we're now forming we formed this minor resistance here, another minor resistance here, but we're still rejecting here. And now the setup that we have now is that now we have a 1 hour minor resistance here. So we have our 1 hour range here. So now the setup has changed. Now in order for me to take it buy, I at least need this resistance to be taken out for me to start looking for buys. So you have to be good at analyzing sales and analyzing buys, and what's going to help you is when you understand structure and momentum. Understanding both is going to make you a great scalper. Because understanding momentum is what's going to make sure that you do not get married to your bias. If all you understand is market structure, you're always going to get married to your bias. And as a scalper, whatever today you are, you're not supposed to get married to your bias. You need to understand structure and momentum. You understand both of them, man, you're going to be a great scalper. Well, am I bug syncing? Not the markets.
No restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clown, fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to
YouTube, unfortunately, hey, we didn't get no trades today. And I won't be here on YouTube tomorrow, not until Wednesday. But if you wanna trade New York session with us and trade London session with us every day, my VIP mentorship, my private live trading hub, that link is down below in the description, and it's also the link for the bootcamp that we did 7 days. You get the videos and you can be part of the community for 1 month. All right, so I don't like to leave people hanging. I at least want you to hang out with me, see my thought process about the way I trade, my entries, everything that has to do with how I trade, so that you get to, pick my brain for at least, 1 month. So, aside from that, God bless you all. Thank you guys for always showing me love, showing up, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. All right, peace. I'm out. Zoom, I'll see you guys during New York session.
All right, thanks, Abe.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Alright guys, no Dreamer, I trade on Wednesdays. I trade every day, so I will be on YouTube on Wednesday, but not tomorrow. Right, so I'm always on YouTube Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright. Alright, see you guys later.
Recording stopped.
And yes, peace be upon you. Oh, I like that name. Yep, volume is too low to trade right now. On gold at least. I don't know about any other pair. I trade every day, Supon. I hope I pronounce your name right. I do trade every day, but not just on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube every day.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this, I'ma steal everybody's